Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Me. This is Chapter 7, Arrays and Strings. We'll explore one of the most essential topics in C programming. Arrays allow us to store multiple values in a single variable, while strings help us handle text-based data. By the end of this chapter, you'll know how to declare, manipulate, and use arrays and strings efficiently. Let's get started. First, what is an array? Think of an array like a row of lockers, where each locker holds a value. Instead of creating separate variables for each value, we use an array to store all of them together. One-dimensional arrays. A one-dimensional array is a simple list of values. We declare an array like this. C include stdio.h, int main, int numbers 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, declaring and initializing an array. Accessing array elements using index printf first element sent dn numbers 0. Printf second element sent d numbers 1 return 0. Here, number 0 is the first element, numbers 1 is the second, and so on. Arrays are zero indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0. Now let's see a real-life example. Imagine we have a list of student scores, and we want to calculate the average score. This program sums all the scores and divides by the total number of students to get the average. Multi-dimensional arrays. A multi-dimensional array is like a table or a grid. The most common type is a 2D array, used for storing matrices. Example, storing a 3x3 matrix. C hack include stdio.h, int main, int matrix 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Slash printing the matrix for int I equals 0, I++, for int j equals 0, j3, j++, print sent d, matrix in, print return 0. Here, matrix 0, 0 is the first element, matrix 2, 2 is the last element, and so on. Strings in C, character arrays. A string in C is simply an array of characters ending with a null character. Declaring a string, C char name equals John, or C char name 5 equals JOHN0. Printing a string using printf, C includes stdio.h, int main, char name equals Alice. Printf name send name, return 0. Touched array manipulation. Sorting and searching. Sorting means arranging elements in ascending or descending order. One of the simplest sorting algorithms is bubble sort. Let's sort an array in ascending order. Real-life example. Reversing an array. Let's write a program to reverse an array of numbers. Finding string length without strlen. Normally, we use strlen to find the length of a string, but let's implement it ourselves. This function counts characters one by one until it reaches the null character, stall, which marks the end of the string. And that's a wrap for Chapter 7, Arrays and Strings. If you found this session helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Code with Me. See you in the next chapter.